All right, everybody. So it looks like we have a couple new devices at Metro by T-Mobile right now. I'm sure you guys can guess one of them already. The Galaxy A14 5G, which I have in my possession right here. I'm using this as a daily driver as well. Really liking this device so far. I did my unboxing. If you guys haven't seen it already, I'll leave a link in the description down below. And we also have a tablet as well. Really quick though, enjoying this device a lot. Also have a gaming review up tonight as well. So if you guys probably already saw that, but I'll have a gaming review on this phone as well. Testing like Genshin Impact, Call of Duty Mobile, and all that type of stuff. So of course, Galaxy A14 5G just released yesterday, but also we have a tablet. So in T-Mobile news, it says TCL's new Tab 8 LE tablet is coming to T-Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile. So not just Metro by T-Mobile, T-Mobile as well. It says recently TCL has been introducing its newest devices in the market, but it looks like they aren't done unveiling its new devices. According to XDay developers, TCL will be announcing its new Tab 8 LE tablet, which will be available on T-Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile starting this week. The Tab 8 LE comes with an 8-inch display and an 800 by 1280 resolution, so it looks like we don't have a full HD resolution, it's just going to be HD. From within, the tablet is powered by a MediaTek MT8766 quad-core processor with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of onboard storage. However, there is a microSD card slot that can be expanded by up to 512 GB, so that's actually really decent. Camera-wise, the tablet has a couple of 5-megapixel cameras, one in the front and another on the back. The tablet also comes with a 4080 mAh battery. The tablet is said to cost $159, but may still cost less with T-Mobile or Metro's contracts and offers. And I'm sure you'll be able to get a free tablet somewhere in some deal. I'm not 100% sure how, but Metro by T-Mobile and T-Mobile always has deals, especially at the beginning of the year, and then obviously later in the holidays and stuff. It says right now pricing information from these two carriers have not yet revealed the final price for the tablet. So yeah, two new devices, the Galaxy A14 5G and the new TCL Tab 8 or TCL LE Tab 8. But two new devices here, liking the A14 so far. I'm sure the Galaxy A54 and the A34 are going to be coming to Metro by T-Mobile soon as well, so I'm going to be picking up those devices to review for you guys as well. I kind of want to get the unlocked version of the A54, so I may not go to Metro to pick up the A54, but stay tuned guys. We have a lot of awesome stuff coming for the channel this year. I'm going to be working as hard as possible to put out these videos for you guys and these reviews and stuff. But let me know in the comment section down below if you guys are going to pick up any of these devices. Also, if you guys have any other videos that you guys want, let me know in the comment section down below and I will try to produce those for you. But hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day. Have a great weekend. This has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.